In today's project, I'm going to build an IR-based proximity sensor circuit using two BC547 transistors. To begin, I'll take the first BC547 transistor and apply a little solder on its emitter and collector pins to prepare them for solid connections. Next, I'll solder a piece of copper wire to the collector pin of the first transistor. Now, I'll take a second BC547 transistor. I'll solder its emitter pin directly to the base pin of the first transistor and its collector pin to the copper wire already connected to the collector of the first transistor. By doing this, I'm creating a Darlington pair configuration, which greatly increases the current gain of the circuit and makes it more sensitive to the small signals from the IR sensor. After this, I'll trim the copper wire to make it short, neat, and tidy, and then apply some solder to secure everything firmly. Next, I'll connect the IR receiver. I'll solder its positive pin to the base of the second transistor and its negative pin to the copper wire. The IR receiver acts like the eyes of this project, detecting infrared signals. Then, I'll solder the positive pin of the IR transmitter to the copper wire. The IR transmitter will continuously emit invisible infrared light, and when an object, like your hand, interrupts or reflects this light, the receiver will detect the change. Now, it's time to connect the buzzer. I'll solder its positive pin to the emitter of the first transistor, which will control when the buzzer gets power, and then solder a copper wire to the negative pin of the buzzer to complete the path. To make the circuit more stable, I'll add resistors. A 68K ohm resistor between the copper wire connected to the buzzer's negative pin and the base of the second transistor, and a 270 ohm resistor between the copper wire and the negative pin of the IR transmitter. These resistors limit current, protect the components, and ensure proper operation. After that, I'll clean up the layout by trimming and soldering all extra pins neatly. Finally, it's time to add the power supply. I'll solder the negative wire of the 12-volt battery to the copper wire connected to the buzzer's negative pin and the positive wire of the battery to the copper wire connected to the collector pins of both transistors. Now the circuit is complete. When I connect the battery and place my hand near the IR sensors, the IR receiver detects the reflected signal from the IR transmitter. This triggers the transistors, which in turn activate the buzzer. As a result, the buzzer starts buzzing, making the system act as a proximity sensor. This simple project is not only fun, but also useful. You can use it as a touchless doorbell, a hand-sensing alarm, or even in automation systems where you need to detect motion or obstacles. It's a great demonstration of how infrared sensors and transistors can be combined to build practical electronic circuits. So stick around, try this at home, and see how amazing it feels when your buzzer comes alive just by sensing your hand.